Hi. Today I will be showing you the way to write long names or most frequently used words with shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Suppose this name, Benjamin Augustus Nikolai Clan. I am just typing BANK and pressing F3. The name is there. So, let's learn how to do it. First, select or highlight the whole text you want to make shortcut. Go to Insert. Then Quick Parts. At the last, Save Selection. Now under Name, type the shortcut you want to use to get the long words from. Here I am taking title-wise words, BANK. Finally press OK. Done. Now let's test it. Typing bank, letter case does not matter. And press F3 from the top of the keyboard. Yes, it's being written with the shortcut and the name is there. Again. So, this is the way to make your typing easier with the shortcut letters in Microsoft Word. Hope you liked it. Please be with us and subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.